Hello friends, Marcy here. And if this package looks familiar, it kind of is. I placed another order with ByTheWell4God after receiving my kit earlier this week. I think I shared it with you on Tuesday or Wednesday. Um, anyway, I placed another order, not for the kit, but you can see again how awesome their packaging is. And this one, by the way, I just had to chuckle. On the other one, I shared with you that it was prayerfully wrapped and packaged by Lori. And this one was prayerfully wrapped and packaged by Tom. And his verse is Deuteronomy 6, 4, and 5. So, oh, was I out of frame? I am so sorry. There we go. Lori and Tom. They take care in their packaging. They are a small family business. And I really hope that you can support them with purchases. You'll love everything that you get. Um, Again, this gorgeous tie. And this card was in the same Knowing Jesus kit, but there's extra freebies that are different. So we'll get into those. I'm going to let you appreciate this wonderful packaging with me. It looks like an old newspaper. I love it. And I am going to be precious and try to save this for some scrapbooking and journaling purposes. So looking for my craft knife. I'll speed up through this, or maybe I'll just cut it out and you won't have to watch me. Alrighty, we are into it. So I'm going to move this away and salvage it in a safe place, along with a tie, because that's going to look fabulous in some decorating. Oh wow, that's bright. So these were on the clearance and I just picked them up because I can always use them. I didn't need them at the time, but there's something that I know will be put to use. And what's not to appreciate about sale prices on a clearance list. But the reason I ordered was for mainly this, if I get to it, Bible books shelf. And so I want to get into it because there's something extra special inside. Not only do we have the stamps here to stamp on, you can put it inside the cover of a Bible, inside a journal. You can do them separately or whatever, but inside there's some little instructions. I'm sure you're not seeing all that. Here we go. Let me slow down because that does not all fit in my frame. And then there's little stickers with every book of the Bible. After you read it, you apply your sticker as like a sign of completion. If using the stamps more than once, you can always handwrite the books labels. You could color code them, like here. You could just highlight or color them as they are completed. Lots of wonderful ideas. So these stamps will be used over and over again because I am reading the Bible over and over again. So set that aside. And I did order these. I almost didn't. It's books. Sorry about that glare from that light. Let me do this. Books of the Bible, but it is the handwritten font by Anne Marie. So these are special. This was actually both of these were reorder or restock. So since they've been out of stock before, I took the opportunity to grab it while I could. I really didn't need them because I have a box here that I keep on my shelf with my James Method items. I'll show you a picture of that here in the video. But I have the stamps of the Bible, Old Testament, New Testament, from the James Method. And let's see. Yeah. Also, there's some other stamps in here from the James Method, character study and verse mapping stamps. But since I have all that already, I didn't need them, but I liked the size comparison. Here, let's look. Very large font and a small font. And I knew they would come in handy in some of my work. So, what do I do with my block? Oh, there it is. I may just place these in here and then pack them up in a bit. Also, these were on sale. They are a spiritual fruit, and so each one of the fruits of the Spirit, peace, goodness, faithfulness, this upside down, kindness, love, patience, gentleness, joy. Did I miss one? Self-control. And then these are found in the book of Galatians chapter 5 verses 22 and 23. And then again on the sale, this little By the Well for God journal. It's a blank journal. And then I added a journal set from the most recent kit, Knowing Jesus. So I'm not sure if these are still in stock. You'll have to go to ByTheWell4God.com and check for yourself. I'll try to link it and below. But let's look at the freebies. Like, guys, this company is so awesome. They have their own like factory set up. You really need to visit if you're in the area and have a chance to. So we've seen this card before. Here is their information for you. And by the way, this face-to-face is the name and theme of the next kit coming up. And again, you know what? When I shared the kit, I shared these stamp stickers. They look like postage stamps, but I picked it up like this, and I wasn't aware that the alpha tiles were behind it. So now I have another set. I'm sorry I forgot to share that with you in sharing of the kit. So journaling cards. Oh, these are so precious. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The gorgeous illustrations, plus you have plenty of writing surface on the back, button frame. And then I shared with you some fabric. The fabric in the kit was a different color, but this could also be used for adding texture to your pages or to your journaling cards, or so many possibilities for decor. And this verse is, because your steadfast love is better than life, my lips will praise you. Psalm 63:3. Love that floral decor there. That's my thing. Floral is my jam. And so here's a special stamp. I did not have this one yet. It is called Hallelujah. I'm trying to see if I got a good background. Nope, I need something. There we go. Maybe it'll show up on here. Is it Hallelujah Resurrection Day? And then a banner. So love, love, love Tom and Lori for their thoughtfulness. Please visit By the Well for God if you want to experience some of these fabulous products for yourself. Thanks for joining me. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.